Hey traders, welcome to a review of the week. Today's Saturday, 1st of June 2024. The week has been quite an eventful week, starting from, when did we start the week? 27, which is that bar there. Had a short week, goes off the bank holiday. That's why you've got things in between here. We got up to certain levels, 19,000, which was quite, well, again, a new all-time highs. And then market kind of topped out at that area. We had a big day down on the 29th, which was quite nice to trade. And then we had, that was a Wednesday, Thursday, and then a Friday was an indecisive day, but a huge move down, and then took everything back. Came up to a level where there was some indecision with this area here. These lines were drawn from the past where there has been support, came back down to it, and then they took them back up. Huge move down and a huge move up, 300 odd points. Let's break it down into smaller time frame, which is what we trade. Just gonna go. I'm just gonna have a look at Friday, because there was a very decent amount of opportunity on Friday. Wait for it to load. There you go. This was essentially the area that we had some news which pushed the data up to that area, which there was some kind of resistance there from the previous days. So if you look at that bar there, which was essentially an area that would resist price from going up, and went up to the top of the bar, because there's an area from before which held to a few ticks, didn't close above it. There's a 15-minute bar, didn't close above it, and then came back straight down. The market opened, just selling. You see areas in here for a little pullback. You see those little wicks there? Those are pullbacks after a down bar on a 15-minute chart, which is areas that you could get in. This is a good one here, which is also a breakout of this area, the 85, 86 level on the NASDAQ. And we had a dump all the way down to that area. And on the way, we had various lines which are drawn from the past, which we should have supported the area, not necessarily reversing, but nevertheless have bounces or a reaction to those. And finally, the afternoon, once the London market is closed, we started going up. This area was a pretty good black pattern there, a consolidation pattern, and decided to pump up, break it up, which again, we had various entry points, these tails, or I call them tails, the wicks on the 15-minute bars. Took it back up to almost where we started. Actually took it back up to the opening range, opening minute, which was around here. So it took it back up to the bottom of the opening minute, which is quite interesting. V-shape movement yesterday, which is quite interesting to trade.